Hello and welcome back. So, today I reached in the bucket of locks that Trekmaster 30 just sent me and pulled out this beautiful Mul T Lock. If I remember correctly, and I can tell by looking at that first pin, this is not a pin and pin. So, and if I remember correctly, he had commented that it's a 7-pin Garrison. So, I have not picked a 7-pin Garrison before. In fact, I think all the Mul T Locks I've ever picked have been pin and pin. So this should be a new experience for me. There is no key, but that's pretty normal for me. Not used to having keys. So, anyway, thought I'd put it in the vise and see if we can get it open. Yeah, we'll put it in like that. Let's get my vise here, and we will get it in the vise. Let's see what we got here. Alright. Let's see. I have one I like to use for Mul T Locks because it fits in there tight. Like I said, there we go. Fits in there nice and tight. Maybe. I just don't have, there we go, that's what I wanted. Okay, fits in there nice and tight, and let's see, grab my flat flag. Should be, nope, that's not it. What did I do with my flat? There's my flat flag. Of course, all my dimple picks are homemade. I'm gonna eventually put the money out for a spook set because I hear that they're probably the best, but I know they're expensive. So, as of yet, I have not decided to purchase one, and these seem to be working just fine, my wonderful homemade ones. Come on, focus. There we go. Alright, I'm going to apply, oops, sorry, bumped the camera there. Apply fairly medium to heavy tension, as I normally would in a dimple lock, and search for a binder. Just going down looking for the speed bump. Alright, I've got something towards the back of the lock. Okay, I gotta click on him. Coming forward. Okay, another click on, what was that, maybe 4 or 5? Okay, that did not feel good. Start the front again and try to, okay. Nothing is screaming at me, so I either overset something or everything else is deep. Let's see here. I think I may have overset, so I'm going to let off just a little bit on my tension. Okay, I dropped something back down. I heard it drop. It was, okay, that was 3, I believe. Gave me a little slight rotation on the core. Very slight. Oh, that was 4 or 5 in it. I don't know if it was an overset or not. Another click on 5. Oh, 1 is bound. Okay, I gotta click on him. 2 is giving me counter. Oh, I think that may have been an overset. Okay, let him back down. Okay. One fell back down. He is stiff. Oh, okay, there we go. I pushed 1 and got a rotation on the core. I'm searching for counter because there's no inner pins for me to go after because like I said, this is a standard pin lock as far as I know. Guessing there's a spool in it though. Oh, there it was. Open on, ow, I think that was 5 or, I think it was 5. And now I can't get my pick out. But it is picked. We're going to try to take it out of the vise. Let's zoom out. And hopefully get my pick out of that. Let's take it out of the vise. Might be a little easier to get my pick out. Alrighty. Try not to lock this back up. I do not. Hold on. You know what? It's picked, but yeah, there we go. It is picked, and now I can get my pick out. Come out of there. There we go. Alright. What do we got? A screwdriver. Okay. Let's get my pinning tray out first. And see if we can get this thing. There we go. Love my multi-locks. So this will just be a one that I'll probably keep. Unless somebody offers me something else for it, I might end up just keeping this one. Looks like we got a clip on the back, and of course I did lock it up sideways, so that's fine. Let's get that clip off first. Got this awesome tool. It seems to work really good on these clips, just like that. And I don't think I have to take that pin out, so let's just put a pick in there and turn it. Got a fairly decent pick there with flat. There we go. Turn it like that. Should be alright. And we will grab a follower. That should work. And make sure the pins are up. Which, let's see which direction the pins are. Oh, that was one fell out. Put that back in. There we go. At least now I know which direction the pins are. There we go. As you can see, it is a 7-pinner. All the key pins are in and working. I can get my pick in there. Maybe. Yeah, they're all in there anyway. But I don't see anything crazy. Let's dump this. Oh, that was 1 and 2. Standard spool in 3. Spool in, standard in 4, standard in 5, standard in 6, and standard in 7. Again, nothing done to the plug. Get all this stuff out of the way here, and we will see what the magic is upstairs. Looks like in 1 is a standard. 2 is a, 2 popped out on me, it's a spool. 3 is a standard. 4 is a standard. 5 is a spool. 6 is a standard. I saw him pop out, but he doesn't want to come out of there. Come out of there. There we go. Move that up just a little bit. And 7 is a standard. And it appears that all of the springs are the same. And I'm guaranteeing there's nothing done to the core either, because this is a stock lock. So let's just zoom in on these and show you what we had in this multi-lock padlock Garrison that I was awesomely sent to by Trekmaster 30. Thank you again for this awesome lock, man. Let's see here. In 1 we had a standard, 2 we had a standard, 3 we had in the key pins we had a spooled key pin. 4 was a standard, 5 was a standard, 6 was a standard, and 7 was a standard. Then up top we had a standard in 1, a spool in 2, standard in 3, standard in 4, spool in 5, standard, and standard. Thank you again for this awesome lock, Trekmaster 30. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your time, and don't break the law.